Welcome to Contra Costa College Library's Jumpstart workshop on library research basics. In this video, you'll learn about some of the services that the library has to offer, as well as some essentials of finding sources for research assignments at Contra Costa College. During the first half of this workshop, I'll be talking about specific services that the Contra Costa College Library offers. One of the most important things in the library are librarians, like me. When I'm on duty at the reference desk, my whole job is answering questions and helping students. That's what we're here for. You can reach us in person at the library reference desk, as well as by phone, email, or chat. There's a link in the description of this video to our 24/7 Ask a Librarian chat service, or you can find it on our homepage too. Research appointments are a great way to get more in-depth help with research assignments. It's like office hours with your very own research coach. Librarians can help you interpret your assignment, come up with a good topic, identify where the best places are to search, and we're experts at formatting citations in MLA and APA citation styles. You can find a link on our homepage to make a research appointment. The library also offers study rooms, which you can reserve for up to 3 hours every day and 12 hours every week. Make your reservation from the library's homepage, which is linked in the description of this video. The CCC Library offers technology loans too. You can check out several items for the whole semester: laptops, mobile Wi-Fi hotspots, graphing and scientific calculators, and more. We also offer course reserve textbooks for many of the classes taught here at CCC. Most of our textbooks are available for 2-hour checkout and have to stay here in the library, but we also have some required course textbooks that are available for the whole semester. Just ask. For the rest of this workshop, I'm going to be talking about finding research sources here in the library. So what do you call your topic? Before you start searching in the library's databases, I recommend taking some time to think about the words you are using to search with. What terms or jargon do scholars and experts use to talk about your topic? This is important because databases are very literal. They only serve up sources that match with words that you have typed in. So in this case, if I was researching which natural toothpaste is effective at preventing cavities, I should probably keep in mind that doctors and scholars of dentistry use the word caries instead of the word cavities. This is where consulting with a librarian can be a great idea. We are experts at moving between everyday language and scholarly jargon and coming up with good keywords for searching. We live in the information age, and so much is available through the internet. But it's important to understand that not everything is freely available to you through Google search. The majority of information on the web is actually behind paywalls and password logins. As a CCC student, you have access to specialized research databases, selected by us librarians, which are particularly good for the subjects that are taught here at Contra Costa College. When you use your Insight Portal username and password, you are using a key to unlock a treasure trove of high-quality information that is appropriate for college-level research. When you go to look for your sources, you can use OneSearch to search many of our databases at once, or you can go into specific databases if you have a sense of where to go. It's a bit like deciding to go shopping at a particular store. Sometimes you need a specialty store for athletic shoes or makeup because they carry a bigger selection. And other times, you're not sure which store will have what you want, so you go to a store that carries a little bit of everything. We have several videos on our YouTube channel for how to use OneSearch to find books and articles, as well as how to use several of our most popular databases. And remember that your CCC librarians are here to help you. Please reach out if you have questions or need help with your research assignments at Contra Costa College. For more Jumpstart workshops like this one, visit the library's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.